Oh, there's a wasp.
Where?
Flying over there.
I don't need a repeat of what happened at my uncle's place.
Dude, I've never seen anybody get torn up by hornets like that.
Yeah, screaming like a little girl too.
Not really.
No?
No.
My girlfriend wishes I was.
What, screaming like a girl?
Screaming like a little girl, bro. She's like, I bet it was hilarious. I'm like,
She only thinks it's fun because she doesn't want you doing any of this anyways.
Hey, you know, I talked to her about going bear hunting.
How'd that go?
She said I do whatever the hell I want. But I'm not allowed to drink. she knows, bro. She knows. She's like, as long as you don't drink, I don't care what you do.
I'm actually going back up at 30 whenever I shoot here in a minute.
Okay. I'll send this one down and you can go. I slapped the trigger, I think.
Yes, you did.
I want to see you shoot that beast at 60.
Yeah. No. That's asking to lose an arrow right now.
Hey, I lost an arrow at 10 yards.
I still don't know how you did that.
Because I'm stupid.
Were you aiming at the top green one?
Yeah. I think I slapped the trigger again. Oh, my arm kind of gave out too.
I wasn't
That.
Looking that time.
That's alright. I'll give my poor old man shoulders a break.
30 yards.
I want to see you smoke this thing at 30.
I shot a bullseye at 30 yards yesterday. I got it on video too.
Nice.
I can show you. I have to hunt it down.
Alright. Your turn. You got any water? Can I have water?
Inside. But yeah.
See, this one's broken too. Aren't you kidding me? Or it's separating a little bit, but
Probably is it one you glued back together?
it is. I'm gonna have to go buy some more. I have a little bit of extra money though, so these ones are good for practice, I guess.
Okay, we're at 65%. We're doing good.
Battery?
Yeah. Well, yesterday, 15 minutes in, I was down at like 20%.
Someone's honking at us.
Mm-hmm. Look at that, 30 on the dot.
Damn.
Alrighty. I can see this a lot better now. That was bad. I saw where that one went and I felt it and it was bad. I pulled that sucker way off to the right.
Yeah. How would you even break that habit?
My issue is my shoulder's killing me.
Well, yeah.
I'm scared to shoot at that one.
Nice. That
No.
one looked a lot better.
It's still off.
Is it?
Not as bad.
I can't even see him from back there. So.
Oh yeah, it was off. Yeah, no, not as bad. But it's still way to the right.
Pull your shot.
I guess. Shoulder hurts.
Act like you were running a weed all day or something.
Because I was. And fighting with HR. I wasn't fighting with HR much.
No.
Alright, well, instead of... Well, I grabbed that one. Well, let's try 20. Which is wrong pocket. Like right here. Oh, come on, stupid thing. 19.1 of the grass in front of me. I wonder why it doesn't come back from that sometimes. It's gonna be interesting trying to range a deer. Right before dark, I'm just gonna have to guess probably. Yeah, it's not very good at picking the laser back up.
No.
Alright. 20 yards. Pulled that one a little bit.
You said that one went left.
Yeah, I went right.
Did it go right?
Yeah, I pulled that one a little
Oh,
bit
it did
though.
go right. See, I need new glasses.
Not too bad off, but I definitely pulled it.
I mean, if it was a deer, it'd be dead deer. But...
That was bad. That was really bad. I think I need to take a day off.
Yeah.
Well, considering I've shot 6 times and I've actually shot where I was aiming once.
Yeah.
But I'm also like this.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I mean, I can see it from my point of view. You're just
Everywhere.
wobbly.
Mm.
Come back out here Sunday night.
One more time. No, I ain't coming back out here Sunday night.
What's the, is there even a way to keep yourself from wobbling like that? Besides
I mean,
rest?
get strong.
Beat
Get
it out of yourself.
Get stronger.
Get strong. Time to pull up the dumbbells.
Or like 15. What the? Oh, I busted my finger open some way, somehow, somewhere.
Did you?
Yep. It's bleeding. Yep. I think I'm watching today. I shot so much yesterday, my arm hurts.
Yeah.
Well, I got one good one.
Jeez.
That one was almost didn't get the bow back.
Yeah, I saw that. This one was really low.
Do what?
Really low.
Yeah.
Oh.
That first one was not. Oh, that first one was not very good. Why is my finger? Oh, I guess it dried up. Okay, that's weird. Whoa! There we go. Is that the one you're aiming at?
That was the one I was aiming
There
at.
you go. Now do it again.
Yeah, gripping it like a handgun. It's not the way to go.
No. No, you
Well,
torque
that's what I'm
it.
used to doing, though.
You torque it.
Yeah.
Guilty as
I'm not
charged. I've
torquing
done. Yeah, guilty as charged. I've done it before.
Well, once I get the fundamentals down, I can just work on the muscle memory.
Repetition.
Yeah, well, I plan on doing this every day, so I'll probably go get a bigger bag.
You're not gripping the crap out of it, are you?
No.
Okay.
Not anymore. It's pretty good.
Yep. It's really good.
I mean, I can feel myself kind of wobbly a little bit, but I've been doing this for a week now.
Yeah. Yeah, it does that. Trust me.
Alright, well, let's send in the one with the brass on it. see how much different it is.
Excuse me.